Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you guys what I got in my January Ipsy bag. It finally came in the mail today, so let's just jump right into it. I'm excited, by the way, because for next month, hopefully I'll start receiving it by next month, but I have subscribed to BoxyCharm today and it says that I'm on the wait list, but hopefully that status won't last for long. So for the Ipsy bag, it looks like the theme is game face, and it says I will conquer, and there's a line. So for me, I guess for 2018, I will conquer my fears. And by fears, I mean just conquer my anxiety and stop being in the way of myself. So, bag looks like this. Not gonna lie, this is not one of my favorite bags. I mean, the blue is super pretty, but the rest I'm honestly not really sure about. The colors are so vibrant, it's almost hurtful to look at them, but the zipper is kind of cute, so that's pretty much what the bag looks like. Inside is a super bright neon green. So these two things were not inside the bag, they were kind of to the side because they didn't fit into the bag, but they're two sheet masks. And they are by a company called BioRepublic Skincare, and this one is Pomegranate Crush, which is a brightening skin mask, and this one is Aloe Rescue, and this one is an after sun sheet mask. So I think I'll probably use the pomegranate one, but as far as the aloe vera one is concerned, I think I will leave that till summertime in case my skin does get irritated from the sun, so that I have this to be able to use then. So I've got this super cute little highlighter from the Balm Cosmetics, and it's called their Mary Lou Manizer. And it looks like it's just a super pretty highlighting shade. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys so that you can see. Looks actually quite pretty. It doesn't look as shimmery as I thought that it would. Hopefully you guys can see that. But we will give that a try and see how well it works. Next, this is the thing that I am the most excited about, and it's a Ciate Fierce Flicks liquid liner, and I've never tried anything from Ciate before, or Ciate as the British people say it, but I watch quite a few British YouTubers and they always rave about this brand, so I am very excited. And lately I have been absolutely obsessed with stars, and it's got stars all over the packaging, so this is definitely my jam. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. Normally there's like a line or something, but I see nothing. Oh, I got it. Holy moly, that is some super durable plastic right there. Okay, I am so using this to do my makeup with tomorrow. Look at how pretty the packaging is. I absolutely love it. And is it a felt tip? Yep, it sure is. Whoa, that is so pigmented. That looks amazing. I am very excited. This will be perfect for doing cat liner with. Okay, moving right along, we've got an eyeshadow from Absolute New York called I Artiste, I guess is what the shadow is called. And this is in the shade VIP. This is definitely the shade that I was hoping for. The other shade looked kind of pinkish, if I recall correctly. So the shadow looks like this, comes with one of these little spongy things, which I never use those, I always throw them out. But shadow looks like this, super pretty rose gold kind of a shade. Go ahead and swatch it. Now upon swatching it, it looks more like a peachy kind of a shade, but regardless, it looks very beautiful. I like it. And last but not least, I've got an eyeshadow brush by Basanti, and it is the Contour Eyeshadow number 4 brush, and it looks like this. So this will be really good for getting into the outer corner for doing smoky eyes, or for getting underneath my eye to smoke out under eyeliner. So I'm honestly pretty happy with everything that I got this month. It looks like they have finally stopped sending me blushes and mascaras, so thank you for that change. And yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I got. If I had to pick something that I was the most excited about, it would probably have to be the liner, and the least excited about, honestly, probably this, just because of the size. I mean, I might actually have to use this as an eyeshadow just because it is so tiny. You know, most of my brushes are like this size. That's never gonna fit in there properly to pick up the product properly, so it's not gonna give the product justice. So I'm probably gonna end up using this either just on my cheekbones, maybe with my fingers, or just as an eyeshadow to put in the inner corner or on my brow bone. So that is kind of my final thoughts on my January Ipsy bag. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye!